Whether your nails are weak, fragile, or damaged as a result of acrylics or gel nail treatments, and you are looking to nurture stronger, longer, and healthier nails, then this video is just for you. So, welcome to Nails for Sanam. I will be sharing the steps that I personally take to promote the growth of stronger and healthier nails, and also how to make them grow faster. But before we begin the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't done so, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my future uploads. So stronger nails begin with maintaining a good hygiene. So the first step is you need to remove any nail polish that you have on your nails, and then we are going to use these two simple ingredients that are available in your kitchen right now: a baking soda and a lime wedge, to brighten the nails, soften the cuticles, and also to exfoliate. And to add a little moisturizing agent, I'm going to add drops of olive oil on it, and we're going to add the baking soda to the lime wedge just like this, with a drop of olive oil or coconut oil, whatever you have available. And then we're going to gently rub on your nails, squeezing the lime juice out while we are doing it. And just gently scrub. This will brighten the nails, also softens the cuticle and exfoliate at the same time. But you don't want to overdo it, just once a week is enough. Now rinse it off with the normal water. You can use this second method, which is using a toothpaste. Now take the white toothpaste, not the fancy ones, the red gel, blue gel, nothing like that, and add a baking soda, and with an old toothbrush we are going to gently rub the nails like in circular motion. Do not overdo it, do not over scrub it, just you want to do a gentle motion, scrubbing your nails. So this will also soften the cuticles, brighten and whitens the nails, and also clean your nails squeaky clean. It will be a very clean. So this is done. Now you're going to rinse it with normal water, and again you can follow this once a week. So I have rinsed it very well, and as you can see, it has brightened the nails. It will also remove any stains that you have on your nails due to the nail polish. So the exfoliation is done. Now the moisturizing part comes in, and it is very important. So I'm going to show you a DIY recipe of a cuticle oil that I personally use myself. So take a clean jar, and with a hot spoon, so you're going to heat the spoon on the stove for a few seconds, and then scoop out the Vaseline, as it will melt effortlessly. And I'm going to add the same amount of coconut oil, so with a similar method, hot spoon, and also the olive oil. And then I'm taking some essential oil and then vitamin E capsules. So I'm going to puncture 2 vitamin E capsules and add this to the mixture and stir it very well. And this, your DIY cuticle balm, is ready, or serum, or whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to massage this on my cuticles and my nails in this way. So it's like a milking your fingers in an upward motion. It will also increase the blood flow in that area so that it can promote the faster nail growth. Also, we are nourishing the nails with vitamin E and many essential fatty acids that are found in olive oil and coconut oil. So these are the steps that I take to promote the nail growth myself. How do you like the video? Please don't forget to share your comments, and don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time with another simple video. Till then, bye bye.